and in today's module, we'll be talking about the various product relationships inside of Sellercloud. Product relationships are a fantastic way to expand your digital footprint without increasing your overhead. The first product relationship that we'll be talking about today are kits. To build kits in the system is fairly simple. We'll start by going to our catalog page and clicking on Add New Product from the catalog module. We'll create a parent listing for this kit or this bundle so that we can start adding the different components and creating the relationship. Once we have our parent SKU in the system, to add components to the parent SKU, we'll go over to our toolbox and search Kit. Selecting Kit from the toolbox will bring you over to your Kit page where you can start adding new components to your kit. To add components to your kit, we'll select the Edit button and click on the Add Product to Kit button so that we can go ahead and search for the different SKUs we would like to add as components to this digital bundle. Once we have our SKUs, we can go and select the inventory dependency. The inventory dependency is going to change the way that Sellercloud is doing and setting up the inventory calculation that is being sent to your marketplace for that kit SKU. The first inventory dependency we'll talk about is your all components dependency. All components, also known as build to order, is where Sellercloud is doing the calculation for you based on what you have available on the components, what's needed to build out that kit, and then we will send in that number to the kit SKU. As orders come in against the kit, we reserve inventory against the components and now update all 3 listings in your Sellercloud account with the new available quantity. You also have the ability to set a main component inventory dependency if there's a certain component that you need to have in stock to be able to fulfill an order, but there are other components that you may be able to replace for that order to fulfill for your customer. The last type of inventory dependency is your independent dependency, where you'll be able to pre-build or pre-pack these kits, bundles, and multi-packs in Sellercloud, pulling inventory from the component SKUs and then building out a separate kit inventory to manage those orders. This is especially important when you're dealing with fulfillment centers like FBA that require you to pre-build or pre-pack those kits to send in fulfillment. Now, you don't have to just build your kits one-on-one. You also have the ability to import kits in bulk into your Sellercloud system. To import kits into Sellercloud in bulk, you'll go into your catalog module, find Tools, and select Import Product Info from the dropdown. From here, we'll go ahead and select Import Kits from the possible options and download the template that's already prepared in Sellercloud to import new kits.